Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today I will share a startup from Gateway Exchanger. So I hope that you all are know about Gateway Exchanger because Gateway Exchanger is the topest exchanger of crypto world. So for joining a startup, simply click on this button. So after clicking on this button, click startup token launch and airdrop platform. Simply click on it. Then after clicking on it, you will come in this page. Then you can see that this is our today topic, this Sonorus startup, guys. So last 16 hour 38 minutes left to end this startup. So before ending the startup, everyone first join this startup, and this is the very biggest airdrop. So for joining the startup, simply click on it. So after clicking on it, you will come in this page. Then simply click 0 free to claim. And after clicking on it, simply click I have read and agreed subscription agreement. Then click it. Then click 0 free to claim. So after clicking it, your subscription has been done. So like it, everyone first join this startup and subscribe the startup. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.